Here are some interesting GMAT facts and statistics. More than 200,000 people take the GMAT test every single year. That is very many people, of course. Although, it is not as much as GR, for example. Because about 7,000 MBA and graduate programs round the world accept GMAT exam for their purposes. The GMAT scores range from 200 to 800. The average GMAT score is 565. The average GMAT score is rising every year. Probably because GMAT test takers around the world are studying longer, harder, and smarter each year. This means that you should study harder too, and employ all possible GMAT test preparation methods, tactics, and strategies, including GMAT courses, a list of which you can find below in the description of this video. Now, the top possible GMAT score is 800. Only about 30 people get the top score each year. A GMAT exam score above 740 is considered excellent. A good score is between 700 and 740. The average GMAT test score among top business schools in the United States is around 690 plus. This is the GMAT exam score with which you can apply to many top business schools in the USA. I will post more videos about GMAT test facts. See GMAT info in the video description.